What's the meaning of cricketing? Cricketing. Cricketing.
Cricketing. Cricketing. The term cricketing refers to playing the sport of cricket. Cricket is a bat and ball game that is popular in many countries, particularly in the United Kingdom, Australia, India, and other parts of the Commonwealth. The game involves two teams of 11 players each, with one team trying to score runs while the other team tries to get them out. The result of a cricket match can vary widely, depending on a number of factors such as the skill of the players, the conditions of the pitch, and other variables. However, the ultimate goal of the game is to outscore the opposing team.